correctly, this is Hino from Design Protecting Family from Pack. We're going to be doing a video on changing out this thing here. This one here is kind of sealed with this thing, and you have to put like 2 O-rings here. And the O-ring keeps going out, so it keeps leaking when you turn on the thing. So make sure the water pumps out, and let's go ahead and get to it. And we're going to be replacing it with this one. It's also plastic, but hopefully it's just a better design overall because you don't have to worry about seals. The only seals we have is these 2, and you don't have it spinning or moving, so hopefully it'll turn out better. Now I kind of thought about getting just regular old metal things that you get in the house, but I wasn't sure if the design and the fitting was different. Certain standards are a little different than others, but hopefully this is a little better design. I can still see that there's seals that kind of swivel, and these seals kind of give out after they swivel for a while, so kind of hopefully it's a better design overall, I hope. Anyway, let's just go ahead and kind of assemble this together here. I think this should go here. And everything should seal up pretty good. So let's go ahead and stick that in there. And then we're going to go ahead and there we go. So I guess it's kind of all the same design, but hopefully it just seals better overall. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's shut off. Is it off? Off, on. Okay, so this is the position it's supposed to be. And these are the... And make sure these are sealed too. Properly. And I guess depending on what kind of screws I have, use the proper seals to screw that in. And I think these are the ones I have here. So, alright, let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, there it is. So it looks like a pretty simple job. I'm going to take these off. I guess we just had do all, but I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's all aired out. It feels kind of moist. And maybe get a little bucket would help too. It's all aired out there. Oops. I just use paper towels. It looks like it's a spaced out accordingly. I don't have to drill new holes or anything like that. Should make my life easier. So hot all that. Alright, keep that up there. See. And I'll go ahead and just loosen that. So really tight here. I guess I'm glad I got the RV version because it looks like the holes are spaced out for RV, so I have to drill new holes, which I don't want to do. So make it harder than it really is. I'm glad these hoses stay up. They're stiff enough. There you go. And it's going to come right off. As soon as this gets removed. There it is. Okay. Okay, so I'll remove that. Nice and easy. I'm going to do a little bit of a cleaning here. That's all the leakage. And stuff going down there. And I'm hoping that would just slip right in because it's an RV version. So, yeah, there we go. Boink. Nice. Got a little seal there. That's perfect. Now I'm just going to go back in and seal it with this guy. Take a look at the instructions real quick just to make sure I'm doing it right. Alright, so put it on, and yep, we put these guys underneath, and we are good to go. Alright, let's do it. Alright, pretty easy install. There we go. Just gonna screw those in, catch the threads. I'll probably do this one too, just kind of balance it out a little bit. Alright, so this is raw, uncut installation here. No editing, because I don't edit. I know you probably prefer it, but some people might prefer raw, uncut, just for the genuinity of the video. Also, scenes cut out, and you're like, dude, what happened? Did it really work? Or did they just cut the part that didn't work out? I'll put that back in. That goes really nice. That's hand-tight. I don't think I'm going to use any tools, just so that I don't strip the plastic or anything like that. Just going to hand-tight screw everything in. You can see it. Alright, there it is. And I'm going to tighten it with my strong arm. There we go. My stronger hand. I'm right-handed. My firm finger grip from computer typing. And I think my see when it works with my hands, it gets sore. That's when I work a little too hard on it. Alright, so now that's good. Let's go ahead and give it the water pump. Let's get the power going up here. Okay. No leakage. Just kind of give it a quick feel. Yeah, no leakage here. I don't feel anything coming out. That's good. Alright, so let's go ahead and run the water. See. There it is. Good glue. Alright, here goes. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Now, I'm probably going to replace this with this. Just to have a better flow, I guess. I don't like this low pressure-ish. Maybe there's a setting or two somewhere, but I guess maybe there's put that there. So anyways, there you go. You want to get access to this sink. It's in the description below. Let's see. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. But I feel like the pressure's still kind of low, so I don't know if it's my pump or what. But you know, maybe it's better that way, so it doesn't break again. Okay. Well, I guess I can't really do that because it doesn't have the ability to do so. Oh, I guess I'm gonna need an adapter or some sort for this. Anyways, just link in the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.